Okay guys, let's get into all the things I got from Menards. I'm going to show them to you really quick. All right, so item number one did not work for me. I will be returning it. It did not slide in. Those apple cinnamon donut sticks were actually really tasty, weren't overwhelming, so we did enjoy those. Now, the next thing, I end up having perlite, so I need to take that back as well. I tried this lighter. I love it. It actually is a flex head lighter, and you can see the butane. This is an actual fragrance thing that you put on top of your filter, and it makes the smell go throughout your home. I'm doing floating shelves in my bathroom, and I was looking for this 12-inch long drill bit, and they end up having it today, so I grabbed that. This is a Lidman extended brush, and I want to use this for the inner part of my shower, the towels and stuff like that, so I got that. That was about $6. These were $3.99. These are like cord holders slash organizers, so you can stick them on the side of your desk or your nightstand. You don't have to worry about fiddling for your cord and it falling down to the ground. I needed a good scrub mop for the inside for the towel, so when you want to really give your floor a good clean. And these were on, I don't know if it was sale or clearance, they were $13 and it ended up being like $7.89, so I grabbed that, and that is by Lidman as well. And I am down to the last two filters for my air conditioning unit. And I went and got these, and they felt some type of way. I'm like, why does this feel so big? I looked in my phone for the numbers, and the numbers were from my house in 2016. I was like, darn it. I knew these felt big. These were much bigger. I need the 20 by 14 by 1, and these are 16 by 25 by 1. So these will be going back, guys. Make sure you're changing your filters. If you are sneezing and getting sick a lot, it could be that your filter is clogged with a lot of dirt and pollen or whatever the case may be since the last time you filled it. Clean your filters. Talk to me in the comments. I talk back. Later, Gators.